A very good morning, all handsome boys and beautiful girls. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm saying this because I can see most of my traffic is coming from the age group 25 to 34 when I look at my channel analytics. I mean, even 18 to 24. I mean, 31.5% of my traffic is coming from the age group 18 to 24, and then 65.6% of traffic is coming from 25 to 34 years, and then the rest 2.9 is from 35 to 44. So most of my channel contributors are like all handsome boys and beautiful girls. So anyways, let's start the video. So basically today's video is all about unboxing this cute box. So let's see what's inside this cute box. So guys, let's see what's inside this box actually. So this is basically from brand Dizzy Life. It's a table clock actually. So this table clock has many features in it. So this is basically a cute table clock, and it has many features. So let me read out all these features for you. It has time in optional 12 to 24 format. I mean, you can choose to set time for 12 hour or 24 hour format. And then it has a snooze alarm clock, and then it has a display of weekday. I mean, there is something highlighted especially on weekday, and weather forecast using 4 icons. I mean, it'll display 4 different icons for sunny, light, cloud, weather, cloudy, and rain. Okay, and it has temperature alternatively in centigrade and Fahrenheit. You can choose whichever you want to see. I mean, you can customize it. Thermometer, it has a thermometer. I mean, it's basically for indoor measurement, not for your body temperature, not to check your body temperature and all. It's basically indoor measurement ranges -50 degrees centigrade to +70 degrees centigrade. And it has hygrometer indoor measurement range 10 to 99% RH. Hygrometer is something called, I think it's basically calculates the humidity in the room. And then it has very interesting feature, LCD blue light display. So it has a backlit light, that's an LCD backlight display, and it comes with 2 batteries inside. So these are all the things mentioned in the box here. You can see. So the box looks really cute because you can see the complete watch diagram here. See, you can see the complete thing here, like what will be displayed on the clock, and everything will be displayed. Everything is displayed on the box here. And then it says, on the side of the box, it says weather forecast station with clock. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, let's unbox this watch and see what's inside. So I'm just unboxing that. Okay, this is how the watch looks like, and then this is how it looks. So there is a compartment to place your batteries, and then you have a stand like this. You can just place it on the table like this, and then you can hang it to the wall also. There is something holder, so you can hang it to the wall also. So let's unbox this. Oh, there is a plastic wrap on this. I'll just remove this. Okay, when you remove this, it looks like this, and inside the box there are 2 batteries also. Batteries are provided with the box itself. So let's put the batteries inside and see exactly the interface looks like. Okay, okay, this is how it is coming. See, you can see different things over here. Here it is showing whether it is an AM or PM, and then here is the time. And then here you can see the, I mean, I didn't set the watch for today's date, but you can see the details over here. See, the particular day is getting highlighted, and then it is showing the humidity here, and then here it is showing the temperature, and then it is showing the forecast here, whether it is a cloudy or sunny. So there it is. And then there is something called trend here, so you can see the trend also here. So these are the different things it will show on the watch. Actually, you can set the time by using mode, adjust max, min, centigrade and Fahrenheit. See, when I click on this centigrade and Fahrenheit change voila, so you can see temperature is turned to Fahrenheit now. So I click again, it is changed to centigrade again. And then there is something called light here. Let's see. Oh, this is looking good. So this backlight is looking good. This is impressive. Great. The overall watch looks very good. And there is something called snooze, max, min, mode. Mode and adjust are for time settings. I mean, you can adjust your time, date and everything through this mode and adjust. And they didn't give any manual inside the box, and then you can manually figure out how to change this, or you can get it in internet how to change. But just like any other watch, you can change the time through mode and adjust max, min. So yeah, this is the watch. This is the clock. So this is how it looks. It looks very compact in size, and it shows vast information. It shows very good range of information. It shows the time, it shows whether it is an AM or PM, and then it will highlight the particular day, and then it will show the forecast, whether it is a cloudy, sunny. I mean, it will show you 4 different forecasts, and then it will show the humidity also. As of now, it shows the humidity in my room is 81%. I think it will gradually reduce because I just turned it on. It has to calculate the exact humidity. And then below that you can see the temperature range also. It's changing. I mean, it's still calculating maybe. And then you can see the temperature both in centigrade and also in Fahrenheit. And then there is something called backlit light. So this is how the clock looks like. So I'll give you the link in the description. You can buy it from there. So this very nice clock. It shows very it shows all the information which we need. And it is very affordable too, so you can have a look at it. Yeah, so I hope you guys like my video. So I'm hoping that I covered everything required to explain about this clock, small cute clock. So I hope you like the video. We'll catch up with you guys in the next video. And then if you do like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any further queries, anything related to this device, you can feel free to comment. I'm always on to answer your queries. So see you guys.